Want to know the secrets to achieving financial freedom? Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in history, has shared his wisdom on how to build wealth and live a life of financial independence. In this video, we'll dive into his top strategies and principles that have helped him amass a net worth of over $90 billion. From value investing to long-term thinking, we'll cover it all. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, this video is packed with actionable tips and insights to help you achieve financial freedom. So, what are you waiting for? Watch now and start building your path to financial independence. Did you know that over 99% of Warren Buffett's wealth was earned after his 50th birthday? This surprising statistic highlights the immense power of his long-term investment strategies, proving that financial freedom isn't about getting rich overnight but building wealth steadily over time. Buffett's approach centers on value investing, where he identifies undervalued companies with strong fundamentals. This strategy, combined with his incredible patience, allows him to reap the rewards of compounding returns. His philosophy teaches us the importance of sticking to investments and letting them grow instead of chasing quick profits. Another lesson from Buffett's life is the significance of living below your means. Despite being one of the richest individuals on the planet, he leads a modest lifestyle, emphasizing that managing expenses and prioritizing savings are as critical as earning money. Buffett also advises investing only in what you understand. He avoids trends and focuses on areas he knows well, showing that expertise and research can significantly reduce risk and enhance returns. Continuous learning is a cornerstone of his success. Buffett reads for hours daily, understanding markets and businesses deeply before making decisions. This habit underscores the importance of staying informed and prepared to capitalize on opportunities. By applying these strategies, you can transform your financial future, building lasting wealth with confidence and clarity. Buffett's journey proves it's never too late to start, and the results can be life-changing. Warren Buffett, often called the Oracle of Omaha, is one of the most successful investors of all time. With decades of unparalleled achievements, he has built a fortune that stands as a testament to the power of smart investing and disciplined financial habits. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets behind Buffett's incredible success and explore how his proven strategies can help you achieve financial freedom. From value investing to the art of patience, we'll break down his approach in simple, actionable steps that anyone can follow. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to take your investments to the next level, the wisdom of Warren Buffett offers timeless lessons that can transform your future. Many people today face significant financial struggles that can feel overwhelming and hard to overcome. One of the most common challenges is dealing with debt, whether it's from credit cards, student loans, or other financial obligations. High interest rates and monthly payments often make it difficult to get ahead, leaving little room for saving or investing. Another struggle is the lack of sufficient savings. Many individuals live paycheck to paycheck, unable to build an emergency fund or set aside money for future goals. This financial insecurity can lead to stress and limited opportunities to pursue long-term wealth-building strategies. The complexity of investing is another barrier. With so many options, from stocks and mutual funds to cryptocurrencies and real estate, it's easy to feel intimidated or unsure about where to start. The fear of losing money and the lack of financial education often prevent people from taking action, even though investing is one of the most effective ways to grow wealth over time. These struggles are common, but they aren't insurmountable. By learning from experts like Warren Buffett, you can adopt strategies to take control of your finances, eliminate debt, build savings, and navigate the world of investing with confidence. Warren Buffett's success is built on timeless principles that anyone can apply to achieve financial freedom. Instead of chasing quick profits or trying to time the market, Buffett focuses on holding quality investments for years, even decades. This patience allows him to capitalize on market growth and reap the rewards of compounding returns. Small consistent steps can lead to transformative changes in your financial future. Understanding the true value of companies is another cornerstone of his strategy. Buffett doesn't invest based on hype or trends. Instead, he looks for businesses with strong fundamentals, like consistent earnings, a competitive advantage, and trustworthy management. By buying undervalued companies and holding them as they grow, he maximizes his returns while minimizing risk. Buffett also emphasizes the power of compound interest, often calling it the eighth wonder of the world. Compounding allows investments to grow exponentially over time as earnings are reinvested and generate additional returns. Starting early and staying consistent can turn even small investments into substantial wealth over the years. By focusing on these principles, thinking long-term, understanding value, and leveraging the power of compounding, Buffett has built an extraordinary legacy. These strategies aren't just for billionaires, they're accessible to anyone willing to learn, stay disciplined, and commit to their financial goals. Warren Buffett's journey to becoming one of the world's greatest investors began at a remarkably young age, driven by his entrepreneurial spirit and fascination with numbers. Born in 1930 in Omaha, Nebraska, Buffett displayed an early knack for making money. By the age of 6, he was already selling packs of chewing gum and bottles of Coca-Cola door-to-door, turning small profits from each sale. At just 11 years old, Buffett made his first investment, purchasing 3 shares of Citi's Service Preferred stock at $38 each. This decision would be a pivotal moment in his life, teaching him a valuable lesson about patience and emotional discipline in investing. Shortly after buying the shares, their value dropped to $27, testing the young Buffett's resolve. However, he held on, and the stock eventually rebounded to $40, at which point he sold his shares for a small profit. What happened next left a lasting impression on Buffett's investment philosophy. After he sold his shares, the stock continued to rise to over $200 per share. This experience taught him the importance of long-term thinking and the dangers of acting too quickly out of fear or impatience, principles that would later define his approach to investing. Buffett's early ventures didn't stop with stocks. As a teenager, he ran a pinball machine business, installing machines in local barber shops and splitting the profits with the shop owners. By the time he graduated high school, he had accumulated thousands of dollars in savings, a testament to his entrepreneurial mindset and financial acumen. These early experiences laid the foundation for Buffett's success. They taught him to value discipline, research, and patience, all of which would guide his future investments and lead to the creation of Berkshire Hathaway, the multinational conglomerate that would make him a billionaire. Buffett's story shows that starting small, learning from mistakes, and staying committed to your goals can lead to extraordinary success. The most impactful lesson from Warren Buffett's philosophy is the power of consistency in building wealth. He often says, "Someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago." This highlights the importance of taking small, deliberate steps over time to achieve financial independence. To apply this, start by saving a portion of your income consistently, no matter how small. Automating your savings can make this easier and ensure you stay on track. Next, focus on investing in what you understand, whether that's index funds, ETFs, or individual stocks with strong fundamentals. The key is to prioritize long-term growth over short-term gains. Buffett's philosophy also teaches the importance of reinvesting earnings. When your investments generate returns, let them grow rather than cashing out early. This is where the magic of compound interest works in your favor, multiplying your wealth over time. Finally, be patient and disciplined. Avoid the temptation of risky trends or emotional decision-making. Financial independence isn't achieved overnight, but by staying consistent and following these actionable steps, you can create a secure and prosperous future for yourself. We'd love to hear your thoughts. What's the most valuable lesson you've learned from Warren Buffett's philosophy, or which of his strategies would you like to implement in your financial journey? Share your insights or questions in the comments below. We're excited to start a conversation with you. If you enjoyed this content and want more actionable tips to achieve financial freedom, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future videos packed with strategies to transform your financial future. Your journey to wealth starts here.